experiencing the FiveM Z pine3. It corrupted error is incredibly frustrating, but we're fixing it immediately. This critical FiveM file corruption issue is stopping your game, so let's dive into solutions. First, method 1, verify FiveM game files. This scans for damaged data, replacing corrupt elements like Z pine3 to ensure all assets are intact. If verification fails, the problem might be temporary game data, leading to method 2, clear your FiveM cache. Corrupt cached files cause many in-game errors. Deleting them forces FiveM to regenerate fresh, clean data, often resolving loading glitches. Still facing problems? Method 3, update your graphics drivers. Outdated display drivers frequently cause rendering errors. Keeping your GPU drivers current provides stability. Finally, if nothing else works, method 4, reinstall the FiveM client. A clean installation removes all problematic files and settings, giving you a fresh start and eliminating deep-seated corruption like the Z pine3 DD error for good. Get back to playing fast.